I don't think it will. Okay.
Okay, there's Grant's rocket.
Wait 1 second. Don't pick it up yet. I want to check something.
Oh, last minute check. Think this one's going to go higher? Is that our hypothesis?
Okay, pick it up and step one step closer. Step one step
yeah, one step closer so you know.
Closer. Okay, put the key in.
The key?
Say all clear. Yell all clear.
All clear!
Now push in the one with the string until the light lights up, and then do your countdown.
Careful, Jordy.
No, you have to hold it. You have to hold the light so the light's on. Now do your countdown. Or actually just do your countdown and then push both of them.
Ready?
Do your countdown.
5! This one and this one?
Yep.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! That one went straight up, Bob. Uh-oh, Daddy. You might want to put Kira down. Daddy's trying. He got it! Yay, Daddy!
Yay, I'm done. Daddy, did it even hit the ground?
No? Good job, Bob.
He just barely did it.
What do you think? Was it fun?
Yes.
Yeah?
Daddy's walking.
Do it again. We already used them up. We don't have any more motors, I don't think.
There's only one more.
I don't know. Plus, we have to repack them and everything.